There is many, but main Bhagavatam and Mahabharata. But there is many Upanishad, many, even Veda. Some mention about Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will appear in Kali Yuga as incarnation. But it's called Channa Avatar. Channa means Prachanna, Gupta. Prahlad Maharaj also told about this. Channa Avatar. In Kali Yuga, the avatar is Channa. Channa means hidden incarnation. Because Lord came not as a Bhagavan, he came as a Bhakta. Lord came as a Bhakta. Bhakta रूप से आया है, भगवान रूप से नहीं आया है. किंतु हम लोग जानते हैं भगवान कभी कभी उनका स्वरूप देखा दिया. किसको देखा दिया? सबको नहीं. जो उनके पास सरेंडर हुआ उनको ही दिखाया. जैसे कंस देख नहीं पाया, कृष्ण को भगवान रूप से कृष्ण नहीं, कंस ने देखा नहीं, किंतु अक्रूर ने देखा है कृष्ण भगवान. ऐसा भगवान सबको पास तो प्रकाश नहीं होता है. जब चैतन्य को आया है, सब नहीं माना है उनको, भगवान रूप से नहीं माना है, बोला है. इसलिए वो सन्यास के बाद आकर उन लोग का अपराध को भंजन कर दिया, मोचन कर दिया, कृष्ण प्रेम दे दिया. तब उन लोग शरणागत हुआ था, उन लोग सरेंडर किया था. नहीं तो नहीं. भगवान को जानने के लिए एक ही मेन क्वालिफिकेशन शरणागत. इफ यू हैव नो शरणागति, यदि शरणागत है भगवान को, हमको पास प्रकाश नहीं होगा. तो हम लोग देखता है चैतन्य चरितामृत में, आप देखिएगा मध्य 6th chapter, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर, मिडिल पार्ट 6th chapter. Sarum Bhattacharya, he is a big Mayavadi Pandit, Shankaracharya follower, and he, big Pandit means Sarvabhaum title has given to him. Sarvabhaum means who has knowledge in 10 sides. सारी ज्ञान जिसको होता है उसको सार्वभौम टाइटल दिया होता है. उनको भी मालूम नहीं था चैतन्य भगवान. जब वो पूरी धाम में आया है, आकर जगन्नाथ के दर्शन के महाप्रभु संश्लेष हो गया. उनका दिव्य सात्विक विकार भाव का प्रकाश हुआ उनके शरीर में. तब ओनली 24 years of age, सन्यासी. देखो उनका अच्छा लगा, इतना सुंदर. सरम भट्टाचार्य जो उस टाइम जगन्नाथ मंदिर का डायरेक्टर था. जब महाप्रभु गिर गया तब inside Jagannath Mandir there is some police to maintain the inside. The inside police, they call poricha in Oriya language. They call poricha. They have small stick like this, not big. They will not get any pain, but they will put like this, like this, but like very soft. You will not get any. This is not soft. They will give like this. So you have to go, move, don't stay. But internal discipline maintaining those police. They came to beat Mahaprabhu, but because he fell down in the temple premise, the middle, near the front of Jagannath. Some said, no, don't do anything. Mahashakti Vikar, Adhirura Bhav. He understood. Then he told all the people there, to carry Mahaprabhu in his house. They carry, just like many ants carry their food, like this. Many ants carry some food, many ants food. So in this way, they carried Mahaprabhu to Sarvam Bhattachary's house, his house nearby Jagannath Mandir. Maybe there is an underground, from मंदिर से अंडरग्राउंड एक पैसेज था सरमोह जाने का लिए। वो बाहर से थोड़ा घूम के जाने होता, अंडरग्राउंड शॉर्टकट पैसेज था, अभी बंद है बोला कि तो हाथ था। तो अब वहाँ में पुरी में गोपीनाथ आचार्य रहा था। वो सर्वम भट्टाचार्य का क्या है, भग्निपति, जामाता भग्निपति। भग्निपति सुसर्म शाला, शाला सर्वम भट्टाचार्य शाला एंड गोपीनाथ जो भग्निपति, उनका सिस्टर की बोले हस्बैंड। गोपीनाथ आचार्य सर्वम भट्टाचार्य का सिस्टर हस्बैंड भग्निपति, सिस्टर इन लॉ। I don't know, sister in law now. हाँ, शाला is सर्वम भट्टाचार्य जी, but जामाता है क्यों? Okay, brother in law, but you बोलते sister in law. शाल से बोलती ना? Okay, brother in law. So he is little senior maybe. So when Mahaprabhu was there, and from backside, Nityananda and others, four or five, they come, Mukunda Prabhu, all came in the back. Mahaprabhu came first. Entered Jagannath temple, then something happened. So Mahaprabhu said, oh. Because Nityananda broke the danda of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu became angry. Why you broke my danda? And he goes, why Mahaprabhu carry a danda? Whom I carry? Why carry a danda? Nityananda's point, I am taking care of Mahaprabhu. He is my Lord. Why carry a danda? So break. Before entering Jagannath Puri, Bhargi river, there is a river. Dandabhanga river. River को बोलता है Dandabhanga river. Then Mahaprabhu is angry, oh, why you break my danda? So now you go first or I go first. The river says you go first. So Mahaprabhu angrily come first, enter Jagannath alone. And they come little back, little late. They came and went to Sarvam Bhattacharya, etc. Okay. And now, Sarvam Bhattacharya thinking, oh, very nice, this sannyasi, but he's very young. His little orange, how he will maintain his sannyas. He looks very beautiful, handsome. And he said, oh, I shall teach him Vedanta. I shall teach him Vedanta, that he can maintain his sannyas. Then Gopinath Acharya heard and become very angry. What are you saying? You think he is a sannyasi? Mahaprabhu is the avatar, incarnation of Kali Yuga. He is Bhagavan. But Gopinath will not believe. Why is it written? The scriptures, not written. Gopinath told him, no. You are Pandit, you don't know. Bhagavatam, there is mention about the incarnation of Kali Yuga. Mahabharata, mention about the incarnation of Kali Yuga. Tum janta nahi, tum Pandit. Little chastisement more. Bhagavatam 11 canto it was told. ध्येयं सदा परिभ्रमणम् अभीष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरचितं शरणं भित्तार्थ्यं प्रणतबालभवाब्धिकृतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दं कृष्णवर्णं कृष्णं शाङ्गपाङ्गस्तपार्षदं यज्ञै संकीर्तनैर्प्रायुर्यजन्ति हि सुमेधस्य. The Bhagavatam slok, Bhagavatam told about the incarnation of Kali Yuga Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and also told about Mahabharata. You know Mahabharata, you are Pandit. Suvarna Varna Haranga Varanga Chandanangari Sannasa Krichama Shanta Nishtha Shanti Parayana. It is only meant Mahaprabhu, Suvarna Varna, whose body color is golden. He looks like a golden, 2 times golden, Suvarna Varna Hemanga. His body's color is Suvarna like golden color. Hemanga also gold. Body is like gold. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body is like gold. Suvarna Varna Hemanga Varanga. Varanga is most beautiful body, beautiful figure. Suvarna Varna Hemanga Varanga. Suvarna Varna Hemanga Varanga Chaitanya. Suvarna Varna Hemanga Varanga. That Chandan. There is tilak mark, there is Chandan mark in his body. Chandanangari. Sannyasa Krichama. He is a sannyasi. Sannyasa Krichama, the Lord. Kali Yuga incarnation is sannyasi. Sannyasa Krichama. Shanta, Nishtha, Shanti Paraya. He is most peaceful. When he took Shanta, he became most peaceful. Nishtha, Shanti Paraya. Bhishma Dev praised Krishna in this way. So you Pandit, you don't know. You coming to Tarkon, debating with me? You don't know. You will unable to know because you have no kripa. Little chastisement. You say Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a sannyasi. Chastising Gopinath Acharya, no, because he was in Navadip. Gopinath Acharya know about Mahaprabhu. So now, but he is staying in Puri. Now he chastising, name Sarvam Bhattacharya, his brother-in-law. No, Shala. Shala means, ki Shala mane ki? Brother-in-law. Or brother-in-law. আর জামাই বাবু কি হবে? Okay, forget. Brother-in-law. He said both. Shala also brother-in-law. Jamai babu also brother-in-law. Okay, forget. I don't know English so much. Okay. So then he told. বস্তু বিষয়ে বস্তু জ্ঞান, বস্তু তত্ত্ব জ্ঞান হয় কি পাচ্ছে প্রমাণ? You have no mercy. Then you don't know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is Bhagavan. They will say, hey, I have no kripa. You have kripa? Yes, I have kripa. Then I know. You have no kripa. You don't know. Simple. Gopinath, I have kripa. I know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, but you have no kripa. You don't know. ঈশ্বরী কৃপালে হয়তো যাহারে সেই তো ঈশ্বর তত্ত্ব জানিবারে পারে. And he mentioned this. Who will get the mercy of Ishwar, God? He will know the God. Otherwise no. ঈশ্বরের কৃপালে হয়তো যাহারে. Who will get the mercy of Ishwar? He will know. সেই তো ঈশ্বর তত্ত্ব, ঈশ্বর তত্ত্ব জানিবারে পারে, বুঝিবারে পারে, দেখিবারে পারে। আমাদের অরণ্য হয় কৃষ্ণ সত্য বলতো না, জানিবারে পারে, দেখিবারে পারে, বুঝিবারে পারে। হইল হোল করে কৃপা। You go, take care of the devotee. Somebody not want to listen anymore because his chest Gopinath is taking him heavily. Because he is proud, oh, I am a Pandit, Vedanta, I have knowledge. But Gopinath is a devotee. He knows more. Then, you know, after what happened, if you read this chapter, very important. Sarvabhauma said, oh, I shall teach him Vedanta. So, already started to teach like this, sitting in a Vaishashram. Go for 7 days Vedanta. There's other student also. Everybody say, oh, very good, very nice. But Mahaprabhu silent. He don't say anything. There's a movie I can send you, very nice. There's a movie of this Nilachali Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu and what Leela happened in Nilachal. Very old movie, very nice. ISKCON making translation, English dubbing. Bengali, but now English. Nilachali Mahaprabhu. And now Vedanta Mahaprabhu, then, and 7 days finish. Now he asking, oh Pandit, oh Pandit something, Nimai Pandit, here Nimai Pandit because Mahaprabhu. I am giving you so Vedanta, but you not say anything, good or bad. You are understanding or not understanding? You not say anything. What is this? Now Mahaprabhu opened the mouth. He was silent. He was praising, oh, you are my most senior. You are my senior. You are Mahaprabhu very humble. I have come to see you, etc. But now Mahaprabhu opened the mouth. Opened it. What you saying in the Sutra, I all understand. But what you explaining, I know that is all wrong explanation. The main Sutra Vedanta, main Shloka, I understand. But what your explanation is covering the main explanation. You are like a cloud. You are actually wrong. I am Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. My explanation is wrong. What is saying this boy? He thinking he is a boy. He thinking Mahaprabhu is a boy, sannyasi. 24 years sannyasi. Then Mahaprabhu explained Vedanta to him. And he surprised. And Mahaprabhu establishing bhakti. And he explaining, on to explain Mayavad, Nirvishesh Gyan, Nirvishesh impersonal knowledge. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya want to establish, Mahaprabhu cut this. No, bhakti is everything. Personal knowledge, personal Gyan, personal Bhagavan. Oh, Sarvabhauma surprised. Oh, how nice. I never heard like this. Who is this? Then he will, oh, I have nothing near to him. Now he becomes little, defeated by Mahaprabhu, right? Now, yes, I heard one shlok, just saying like this. Oh, I heard about Bhagavatam, one shlok I know. What is the shlok? What is the shlok? Attaramscha munaya nidanta parikrame kurvanti ahiting bhakti thambada gunahari. I know this shlok. Oh, you know shlok? Oh, very good. Bhakti is so powerful. Bhakti is so powerful. Atmaram Muni, they also come to do devotion, Hari, for Hari Bhakti is so great. Attamascha munaya nidanta parikurvanti ahiting bhakti itthambada gunahari. Hari has such power. Atmaram Muni, those Attate Raman Koren, those knows about soul, etc. Attogyan Janer Achi, Attate Jara Nivishto, that type of, Muni, they come at the feet of Hari to do bhakti. I know this sloka. Oh, you know this sloka? Then you explain. Mahaprabhu, you explain now. Oh, explain. Then he will, oh, now his prestige is already gone. Now again Mahaprabhu, to bring back his prestige, he's saying this sloka. Oh, I know this sloka. And Mahaprabhu established bhakti about jnana. He's surprised. Such knowledge is not possible a human being understood. But he not fully, he understanding. Oh, he is not. How nice he explaining. Then this sloka, Attaram, Mahaprabhu said, you explain. Then he explained 9 times. 9 ways explain the sloka. Mahaprabhu said, no. Something more is there. Oh, something more. What I explained, something more. Then, okay, then you explain. Then Mahaprabhu explained 18 times. And nothing taken from his explanation. Completely new and nice. Unique. We explain this sloka, Atma Ramascha Mahaprabhu, Sanatana Goswami, he explained maybe 61 times, 61 and that sloka, 18 way, and completely unique way. Oh my God, why is he speaking? What Gopinath Acharya told is correct. He is not a human being, he is a Bhagavan. Without a Bhagavan, cannot explain such a way. Then he fell down in the feet. Sorry, please forgive me. Please forgive me what Gopinath Acharya told. It's correct. You are not Sannyasi. Please forgive me. And when he fell down in the feet, then immediately Mahaprabhu shown him. What is shown? 6-hand Jagannath. If you go to Jagannath temple, you will see. They are worshipping, Jagannath devotee worshipping Mahaprabhu inside the temple. No any other, no Shankaracharya, no any Acharya, Madhacharya, no other, nobody's, deities worshipping inside Jagannath temple, except Jagannath and some other. But Mahaprabhu 7 feet high. His original form, 7 feet, and his worship in Jagannath temple. Then Mahaprabhu shown him 6 hand means 2 hand Danda Kamandalu, Danda, Sannyas Danda, Kamandalu water pot, 2 hand Bashi, and 2 hand bow and arrow, Tir Dhanu. Ram avatar, Krishna avatar, Gaur avatar. That is a song we shall sing today. You can't know? Joy Joy Jagannath, Sachidananda. So, in this way, Bhagavad and Mahabharata is Pramanik, authentic scriptures. It's not like someone is saying, not like that. Bhagavad, Srimad Bhagavatam and Mahabharata is authentic. Vedavyas given. Vedavyas is not false. So, and so many others in other scriptures. 100 proof is there. But 2 is very important, prominent. That Mahaprabhu is, because it is Channa means Prachanna. Gupta. He came as a devotee. Radharani Bhav took the mood of Radharani, want to taste himself. Krishna want to taste himself. Because he's seen his beauty, his form in the water of Yamuna in Vrindavan, near Imlitala. He sees his figure, oh, so nice, I'm so nice. Krishna charmed by his own beauty, but can taste. For tasting, Radharani can taste. So he become Radha. Tin tiri talasthayam narmi bhavana plutam nirjanaika radhikat bhava vaibhavapritam shyam radhikat gaura tattva bhidikakaram prema dhama devameva naumi gaura sundara. In Dapurju, in Vrindavan, Imli Tola called Imli janta hai to tamarind tree. No. Tamarind? Okay, tamarind. Under the tamarind tree, this Leela happened. Bank of Jamuna. So, Mahaprabhu shown many others, not only Sambharjaji. He shown Ramananda Rai. It's called Pohili Dekhile Kumar Sannasi Swarup. Sannasi Rup. Ebe dekhi tomar Kanchan Panchalika Rup. First I see you as Sannasi, but now I see you as Radha Krishna Milito. So, Ramananda Rai saying, oh, I see you as a Sannasi, but now I see Radha Krishna. You are Radha Krishna. Master, no, you are devotee. You see everywhere Krishna. Hiding. Sometimes he's showing him. See, who am I? Hey, what am I seeing? I see you Sannasi, you are now see you are Radha Krishna. What is this? No. Again, you are devotee. You can see everywhere Krishna. In this way, he is shown many. All his devotee, not to others. Brahman, when Mahaprabhu is a small child, and Brahman came in the house of Jagannath Mishra. He is the Brahman worshipping Shalagram, Gopal, he also worships Gopal, Shalagram. Mahaprabhu shown, because he giving bhoga, and Mahaprabhu, Vishwambhara, small khoka one child, coming and taking the offerings. And I said, this my offering is finished. This boy finished. Make it jhota kar diya. Hamara bhog ko nashta kar diya. Jagannath Mishra very angry. Oh, no, please again cook. Say again cook. 2 times cook. And that time also, he meditating Gopal. But Nimai kam Hamaguri. I took offering 2 times. Spoiled. Oh, now again Brahma say, hi. My bhoga nashta kar diya. Jhota kar diya. Jagannath Mishra became very angry. Oh, why this boy is spoiling? He told, he's just chastising, going to beat. Brahma said, no, don't. He said, child, why? So, the Matajis take him another house. Room, locked the room. Can't go. Then they again prayed, oh, Brahmin, you are calm if we don't take any food. Well, he said, no, I don't cook anymore. I shall take some fruit. No, please cook. And 3rd time it will become about 11 o'clock in the night. Late in the night. By their request, again cook. And now what happened? Who is guarding Mataji's, guarding Nimai that he must not go. But everybody got sleep. All got sleep. The power of Yogamaya, again by rolling, Hamaguri, rolling. Hamaguri dite आ गया. अरे खाने लगता है उसमें ब्राह्मण का ये क्या कर रहे हैं, कोई नहीं, everyone is sleeping, everyone sleep. Jagannath Mishra and others slept. Now no one is there. And the Nima is saying, Brahman, you are calling me, so I'm coming to take care of you. Huh? Do you know who am I? See. Then Mahaprabhu shown his form, Ashtabhuja, 8-hand form. 8-hand form, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, and some other. Oh, Brahman now, so happy and fall down the feet of Mahaprabhu Bhagavan. In Chaitanya Bhagavad in the beginning mentioned, Adi Leela, Mahaprabhu's childhood pastimes. Then he prays so much. But Mahaprabhu listen. Mahaprabhu again become child. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. If you tell anyone, your tapasya will spoil. Brahman now very happy, now calm. Sometimes come and see Mahaprabhu and go, not tell anyone. Mahaprabhu's avatar is like Channa avatar. Guru Maharaj wrote a song about Mahaprabhu. He mentioned this word, Channa avatar, Lokano kahar, Radha ruchi rupo chhade. Channa avatar, Lokano kahar, Radha ruchi rupo chhade. Prachanna, hidden incarnation. Radha ruchi rupo chhade. So in this Chaitanya Bhagavad, Chaitanya Charitamrita, you will see many other places also. Mahaprabhu shown to his devotee that he is who he is. Okay, Vandyaham Sri Guru, Sri Gita Padakamalam, Sri Guru Vaishnavangsha, Sri Rupam Sadgurajatam, Sahagana Raghunatha, Nitam Tam Shrivam, Sadvaitam Savadhutam, Harijana Shahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam, Sri Radha Krishna Padam, Sahagana Lalita Sri Visakha Nitam.